Hello everybody and welcome to Kelly Family's Adventures. I thought I'd give you the room tour of our Premiere Inn we're staying at in London. So let's give you the tour. So as you come through the door, you've got your air dryer, little mirror. This is bathroom. The shower, which I'm going to go in a minute. The bath if you need it, want a bath. Obviously your sink, your big mirror, your toilet. So this is a standard room. So we'll have to excuse the mess because we've literally just got back in. It's 10:30 at night. So that's our bed, lamps, we've got a TV, kettle, everything to make tea and coffee, a little desk and that if you needed, USB ports, plenty of plugs, lamps, pretty standard, like a little futon bed. And under here, you can just see there's a pull-out bed as well. So yeah, I'll show you a view from the back, from our window. If you can see out, it's let me tail the lighters off first. Let's do it that way. So we have got over there a flyover bridge. I'll show you again in the daylight. But where we're staying at the minute, I can't for life of me think my name. I'll ask Sarah when she comes back. But we've got a train station, 4 minutes walk up the road. We've got a big Tesco Extra. There's a bus station around. There's it's easy accessible to tube. So what you do, you get from here, go to Tottenham. Can't remember what it's called. I'm useless with names. Go up to Tottenham Summit or other. Get off there. Jump on tube from there. That could take you into London. Well, not London, but you have to. It takes you to King's Cross and that. I can't remember for the life of me which line it is. But you have to get. Then you get off there to go on to a different line. It's really confusing. I don't know. We got lost. But so we had a walk up near Big Ben, House of Commons, round the Millennium Wheel. It's probably not called Millennium Wheel anymore, but it's up that way. At London Eye. By Shrek, Dungeons, which I think we might go. We might flip a coin to see if we go to the Dungeons or Madame Two Swords. We had a lovely meal up at a place called Giraffe up on Riverfront there, and yeah, we had a lovely walk. Very tired. I've done over 12,000 steps today since we got into London. Long travel, but yeah, we'll look forward to tomorrow. We're doing a Harry Potter walking tour. Like I said, we're going to do either the Dungeons or Madame Tussauds, depending. We're just going to flip a coin, heads or tails, see what's what. What else we're going to do? Sarah wants to see if we can see changing the guards. We're going to do a bit more touristy stuff. Have a good look around main parts of London. We've already been up to King's Cross and been in the Harry Potter shop, which I didn't take my camera, but I did film a little clip. So I'll hopefully film a bit more of that tomorrow. And yeah, so really looking forward to it. Lots to do, lots of walking, lots of things to see and do. I took a couple of pictures already that I put on Instagram and various bits and bobs. But yeah, once I find out the name, I'll put the link to the name. Well, I'll put the name underneath, and I'll put what train station that one's called and where you get off to get onto the tube, what line it is, and how you get into central London and that. If you obviously that's if you stay in this end of London. So, but yeah, all in all, so far, really enjoying it. So we'll hope to see you soon. And if you're not already, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us out. We're over 1,158, I think, our last checks. So yeah, it's brilliant. Keep up the good work, guys, and we'll see you soon for another adventure. Bye. Right, guys, just to follow on from our previous video, we went to the shop to get some cigs, and I went to jump in the shower, and the taps weren't working. So when she come down, when she come back, she went downstairs and complained, and the whole, I can't fault the hotel at all. They've done us a proper solid. They've upgraded our rooms. So let's do a new room tour of the new room. So we're by the door at the minute. So this is our new room. Ignore my mess there. We have to virtually move. What time is it, Sarah?
20 to 12.
20 to 12. So at 11:30 we have to move. So I'll give you a new tour. That's the bed.
This is alright.
So, same as last time, we've got a bench we work from. This one has a mini fridge, coffee machines that take these coffee pods, big bed, ironing board, iron, a chair, and not slipped because I've just finished shower. But this is now our new bathroom shower area, and along with the upgrade becomes an upgrade of view. So let's see if we can see anything out of here. So we have got a bit of view. We've got Tesco's just over the road there. The train station, the bus station, sorry, is just at the back of there. What's the train station called, Sarah? Mariana Water is the train station, so you just get on the train there. 5-10 minutes, 5 minutes in it to Tottenham.
Yeah.
What's the Tottenham one called?
Tottenham Hale.
Tottenham Hale. From there off onto, is it Victoria Line?
Yep.
Onto Victoria Line, and you can get off at King's Cross on that one. Where do we have to get off for Westminster in that? What's the station you have to get off for Westminster?
Westminster?
No, because you have to swap. You have to get off at Victoria Line at Victoria.
Yeah.
Then swap to the... What's that one called?
It's just called Westminster.
Yeah, well, one it goes to Upminster, doesn't it? That one.
Yeah.
I can't remember what colour line it is. It's all confusing. So yeah, what's the name of the hotel, Sarah? Premiere Inn
Edmonton.
Premiere Edmonton. Big thumbs up from us. Yeah, so what I'll do, I'll stick this at the end of that other video. Thanks for watching as always. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you tomorrow in London. Cheers, bye.